So the sketch story with the welder assassin's car. So, and then this is the thought process. Anyway, so here I'm drawing a wide body Lincoln Continental, 1966 Lincoln Continental, and then I was thinking about Challengers, and I thought the headlights, you know, they're both double lights. I was like, well, put those cool headlights on the Challenger and put them into a wide body Lincoln. So that's what this sketch is all about. Okay, and here I'm thinking about particularly Josh's car was stolen. His Challenger was stolen. It's a demon, so not surprisingly it got stolen. You see the guy with, so the cop is behind him. The car's been, the cops have caught the car. There's a guy with his hands out, putting his hands up basically. So anyway, this is an idea for an art piece. And so then I started drawing some of these cars, of course, Challengers, Chargers. Oh, these are, yeah, there's a Challenger I was thinking about using, just doing front views. And I did a bunch of cop cars, some Charger cop cars, front views, and then Explorer. These are normal cop cars we have around in Detroit. And so went a little bit bigger. I need the felt tip black stuff so I can do a nice live trace. And so there's some Explorers, takes a few hits before I can get them right. A whole bunch of the star of the show, which is the Demon, Hellcat Demon, XRT. And here's the final one. It took, you know, about 5 or 6 attempts to finally get it. So just one stroke, you know, no editing. And then another, what is this one? Oh, Impala police car. Yep. Now what are we talking about? A Charger police car, like 2015. Takes a couple of attempts to get those guys. Oh, smoke, just playing out with smoke because I was gonna do that, vectorize it. Oh, this is just something I went to a techno party the other night and drew that. Okay, well, anyway, I think that's really it.